Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Wow.
Tired, bro. Tired, done?
Done. Every time I nigga spin, we let off all they need to cook like. We let off all they need to be. You niggas step on them fists, feel like take a walk and move his knee. Oh, your little homie got wet, I'm probably involved with some of that shit.
Alright, y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. Back with another smooth POV. I don't know what I'm gonna title this vid yet, but the main mission of the day is burn them tires up in the back. That really be the mission every day, but you feel me? Especially today. We go meaty boys. I got these for $30. 2 tires for $30, and it got good tread. Like, that's, you can't beat that. Smooth little lineup we got here though. We got my boy with the Demon Charger, 8-something horsepower. We got my boy 1LE TJ, Mr. 1K, and then we got the beautiful STOLN cat, you feel me? The one and only. But yeah, man, like I said, we burning tires, bro, so we gotta make sure we get some good sliding in, you feel me? But I ain't gonna do too much more talking. I'll catch y'all boys in the whip.
Young nigga giving out somebody bigger for what you did might kill you real. I don't even flow, but the young niggas in my hood ain't little, they kids still. Nigga be rolled, that Glock is took, give me that glizzy still. Free the bro, they on the way, they stand on business now. If we get caught on the chase, you
I'm not gonna lie, I've had plenty of people ask me, STOLN, how are you affording these gas prices? Gas ain't cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all about a way you can make some extra money off from your phone that is 100% legit. A lot of people feel like this is too good to be true, so let me break it down for you so you can understand how it works and why they can pay you for just playing games on your phone. Free Cash works with app games to help them find new users like you. These apps and games are willing to pay for new users because a lot of the users actually end up liking the game and end up making the apps money once they play the games for a while. Free Cash helps put some of that money back in your pocket as they share some of what they get paid back to you. I'm telling y'all, it's real simple. If you already like playing games on your phone, you might as well go ahead and sign up. And the sign up process is simple. You can make a completely free account with nothing but an email and password. It's not a way to get rich quick. You can make $10 to $20 playing games that you already like, or try some new ones. This is 2026. This is one of the best ways to make some side cash for real. And if you're really dedicated on it, you can make over $200 on some. But like I said, it's completely free to try. Scan the QR code or click the first link in the description and check it out to make some extra cash. Pay for some of this gas. Y'all lucky 12 right there. I would have dogged a U-turn. We overly locked in. That big ass turn. These sharp ass turns, bro. I ain't liking it. Roll close. What the fuck? nigga just dogged the fuck out that bitch. Nigga, roll closed. What the fuck is going on? Bro, my tires are so ball gang, like the car is struggling to stay on the ground. Boy, oh boy. Niggas is driving the whips. Screaming. Oh boy, oh boy. Straight dogging, boy. Why is it people here? I'm saying that like it's not regular people that live here. Nigga, my tires is gone, bro. I just did that rolling burnout, boy. That shit took everything out of my tires. I know it did. Hey, but they nice and warmed up though, bro, for this little quick slide session, you feel me? I know there's a median like out of nowhere here, so we gotta be careful. Like, that shit is out there, it's come out of nowhere, bro. Lock in, TJ. Let me get my phone. Time to lock in.
Sorry, stack. Try again.
Slide that bitch back in second. Lock in. Ooh, boy. You say me try it? I ain't never slid no tune cat, nigga. This bitch slide like butter. I ain't gonna lie, it's sliding. It's sliding. Alright, look, yeah, the way I'm doing it, especially at this spot because of that median.
Yeah.
I throw that bitch over here and then shift to the second and then do the burnout. This bitch smooth, nigga. This is I fuck with the way this nigga. I can't wait to get tuned, nigga. This shit is so butter.
I ain't gonna lie, your ass.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I looked over there. I said, "Fuck, nigga." I was a little close.
For the B on all them bitches. When it come to handguns, had all the switches. Don't run, don't trip, don't fall, a nigga. Pop out 2 pipes, play ballin', nigga. Alright, my tread ain't, I ain't too satisfied yet, bro. My tread ain't burnt up enough. So it's time to hit spot number 2. Gotta make sure my 360 on. You wanna take the highway? I bet. Oh shit. Turn my traction right back on. I hate turns, bro. I hate turning in this cat. Unless I'm sliding the turn. Boy, I literally caught no grip on that.
My tire's not burnt up enough though, bro. Gotta lock in, bro. Gotta burn more tread, bro. There's always one car here every time we pull up, bro. Just one. There's always one car. Ah. Yeah, you know you gotta start the show, TJ. I'm finna lock in. Done?
Sparking, nigga. Done. You're sparking.
You been sparking the past 2 Yeah! Nigga, that was the goal.
I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you